This is the original crease pattern drawn by Frans. This is a crease pattern that I drew using blue for valley, red for mountain, light blue for partial valley, and pink for partial mountain. When I say partial, it means that the paper don't go all the way 180 degrees, but stops in the middle at 90 degrees, since this is a 3D model. I'm going to teach how to fold this cube. There are several origami models that are cubes, but this one has a very specific advantage over other ones, which is that the sides are completely plain. They don't have any creases or overlapping layers or anything like that. So it's very useful if you want to do models that are based in cubes, but you can add decorations on. And when I say decorations, I don't mean painting them or gluing them. I mean doing them by folding only. Okay, so we start with a square. You can use a 15 centimeter square to begin, and you divide the square in 4 by 4, which is very easy. Just take one edge to the other and crease, and then open and take the edge to the crease you just made. Turn the paper and repeat on the other with the other edge. Open and repeat. Turn the paper and repeat on the other direction. Now, when you have the four square, okay, so all these creases until now should be valley creases. Now that we have all the squares, we're going to do the diagonals. We start with the large one that starts from the center of the paper to the top right corner. You can see how I do it, or you can stop the video when I show the crease pattern and do it by yourself, because it's very easy. And I'm going to show it anyway. You turn the paper, bring one edge to the other, put them together, and crease, but only until the middle of the paper. If you're working with dual color paper, you work all the time with the white side up. Okay, then we do this diagonal here. Very easy. Just bring the edge to the first horizontal crease and make a diagonal only here. Okay, then we do this other diagonal on the top left corner. We need a mountain here, so I turn the paper over, bring the edge to the reference and crease, turn the paper over again, do this small diagonal here on the corner, bottom left corner. We need another mountain here. And the last crease that we need is a valley fold here. Once you have all the creases in place, comes the way making the shape of the cube. So you start with the one that is the only crease that has that crosses two squares. You bring the top right corner to the bottom right corner like this, but you open the paper like this. Here we have a valley fold. We close it there, and then we lift all these layers here together, and we have a little triangle here that we need to put inside of what is going to be the cube. And from here on, you repeat the same process 3 times. Well, you do it once and repeat it twice, making it 3 times. You bring this layer here and put it together with the rest, and put this little triangle here inside this pocket that is formed here. Okay, just like this. Turn the paper, turn the model, and repeat here. Just bring this part down. A pocket forms here, and you put the triangle inside the pocket without allowing the rest to unfold. For the last part, you should already have all the other sides ready, and you have the last pocket here and the last triangle here. All you have to do is put it inside. Maybe push a little to make the cube look better, and you have your plain Faase cube ready.